Good morning, wonderful people. I am Chukuma Iwanya, reaching you from this channel. Thank you for joining me. Today, I'll be taking a trip to Olumirin Waterfalls here in Osun State. As you all know, waterfalls are tourist attraction centers all over the world and can serve as source of revenue generation for government. Olumirin Waterfall, popularly known as Erin Ijesa Waterfall, is one of the waterfalls here in Nigeria. Others include Gurara Waterfalls in Niger State, Asop in Plateau State, and Owu Waterfalls in Kwara State. This waterfall is located in Erin Ijesa, a community in Oriade local government area of Osun State. And as I heard, you need to pay a gate fee of 500 naira so you could be allowed entry into the area. So I'll be taking you to that place where L.G.A shot his music video, Oriade, and I will show you some spots. Let's go there.
Alright, this is me climbing the Erin Ijesa mountain to get to the waterfalls. I can tell you for sure that I'm panting seriously because it's quite a hill. But don't worry, I'm still some miles away from the waterfall itself. Okay, we'll keep going. Can't even see my back. Getting to this point, you will know that you've done a good exercise for yourself. How did Agnes and L.G.A get to this point without panting like I am? I suspect they took enough rest before continuing the shooting. Quite a long way to go, but I pray that the Lord Almighty sees me through all this. Thank you. Alright, this is where I've just reached now. I think there's a rough stair over there. You can see it for yourself, and there's this water streaming out from somewhere we're yet to know. We keep going as we approach that destination to be sure of all that's going to happen now. As you can see, this is the stair. This is part of the waterfalls. I'm still heading. I think this should be the #1 area. You can see this is how it looks like over here, and this is the stair I still have to climb to get to the topmost again. Okay, so this is still Erin Ijesa Waterfalls, and I'm still climbing, still climbing. Okay, we've come to another point. I can tell you, climbing this is not easy. It's a little scary if you're not very brave at heart. If you're not very strong at heart, my dear, I tell you that you may not have the mind to come up this way to this point, even though I haven't even done a quarter of it. But it's all well. I'm still climbing. Je monte aussi. Merci. Okay, you can see.
This is another point where L.G.A stood in his video.
This is part of what I'm going to see, and I think this should be the second or third level of the waterfall. Okay, these are rocks, you know. You can experience the beauty of nature. Awesome. I tell you, this is awesome. Awesome. For those of you who haven't been to Erin Ijesa Waterfalls in the state of Osun, I would advise you, especially core members just like myself, I would advise you to take this opportunity to come visit this waterfall. It's an awesome experience you wouldn't want to miss while you're serving Nigeria in the state of Osun. Okay, I still have this to climb. As you can see, I still have that to climb. It's not easy for me, but I'm going to do my best. I paid my gate fee. It's funny, but I have to finish it. I have to get to the point. This is not funny, climbing this. This is not funny at all. I can hear people chanting, people making noise. I think I'm going to the level where I'll see some people. This is another level. Man, it's awesome. Man, it's so painful. It's so painful. So painful. That is what I've done. As you can see, that's where I've just come up to now. It's quite a distance. You can see me pant, you know. I hope to see more tourists, people who have come to see the waterfalls at Erin Ijesa. Let's keep going. You can see this landscape for yourself. It's very beautiful. Hope you can see. Very beautiful architecture of nature, and so beautiful. All right, we're still climbing. We're still climbing. Oh, at this point, I think I'm lost of my destination. I don't know where to head to anymore. I don't seem to find any here, any tour guide here. If I am lost, then I am doomed. I better not be lost. I better not be lost. Let me try to find a way out. Where's the road? Where's the road? Where's the road? I don't seem to find any road here. Don't seem to find any road here. Don't seem to find it, but I can see some people up there. I just hope I'm taking the all right. Finally, there's lights at the end of the tunnel. I think I found the road. Okay, I think that's the road. Yeah, that's the road. I think so. I just hope I'm taking the right steps in the right direction, because this journey is a must. It's a must go. It's a must go. You can see how I'm sweating. I'm just trying to pant through the rocks and making sure that I don't slip my foot. So to get to the last destination, you can see how rocky, rough this place is. I don't know how to climb this now. Maybe I have to use my taekwondo expertise to make it a climb. You can see I'm just trying to glide through the rocks. Oh, all right. Finally, I have overcome that level, and I'm heading to the next level where I think I'll find some Homo sapiens having fun. Wow. I'll get back to you. Yeah. These are my friends. I finally met my friends. Wow. Are you guys coming down? No. You can't be coming down. Unbelievable. I saw some people, and I can tell you, this is not easy. Man, I'm trying to climb. I'm losing energy. But no, I have to get to that point. Are you guys going? Oriade. Unbelievable. I saw Oriade. It's awesome. I need them. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Are you going to go down? You're going down. You're going climbing.
Yes.
This is unbelievable. No. When I'm about climbing, I'm climbing.
Snap. Yeah.
Why are you videoing? Yes, this is a video.
Wow. It's not been easy, you know. It's not been easy.
You guys are not going. You're not leaving me here.
Only you want to go.
Tired. You go. When you are going down, you go. Everything is like that.
This is my friend. I miss you guys too.
Hold your food later.
I'm holding it because if this phone falls down, man.
If you go down, don't forget about it.
I'm down. Hello. Hi, young man.
He's doing video.
Philip, this is video.
Let's go down.
Video. Come on. Let's go down.
Come go down.
We went to almost the peak.
I have to go there.
You waste like almost an hour. Yes.
Yeah. This is Philip. He's just coming down from the mountain, and I think. What was your experience there?
Man, it was wonderful, man. One disappointing thing about it is that I didn't see the waterfall, the source of the waterfall. That is disappointing.
No, I heard that you can't see the source. That it extends to all the way to Ekiti State.
Wow. You never told me, I thought I would see the source of the water.
I haven't even seen the water. I want to see it.
I went to go like 1 hour. 1 hour searching for this water. No see the water.
Wow.
Serious.
Oh, you were looking for it, you didn't find it.
You didn't find the water. No.
Where's Austin and Co?
Come down.
I'll try to go right down. Still making it to the top. Still making it to the top. It's not easy. You guys thought I wouldn't be coming. You guys thought I wouldn't be coming. That's unbelievable. These are my guys, the second batch. I can tell you, for sure, this is awesome.
You
Man, what's up? Thank you very much.
Yes, of course.
Ah, mon ami. Vous êtes ici. Mademoiselle Sarah. Ah, bonjour, Monsieur Austin.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Oui, mais je suis bien aimé.
Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux? Je sais pas ce que tu parles. Ah, maintenant. Il y a beaucoup de gens ici. Je suis heureux. No, you don't need alcohol to come ici. Your energy will finish. I'm going to talk now. But at least I should have gotten to a point where people got to. I have to climb some more. I mean, people are not going immediately. No, don't come to me today. I just want to have a little experience more.
I know.
I'm fine. What's up? Why won't I know? I've been following you guys. What do you mean? Yeah, hello. These are my people. You know. This is what's her name again? Tolu. Oh, my coordinator, my former coordinator, my former PPA. Tolu. How did you find this experience?
Oh, very wonderful, lively. It's a life history memory, and I love to be here, and I love it.
But you didn't get to the topmost.
I went there, but there's no water there, so we're going to get now to enjoy yourself. Now, so.
All right, thank you.
This guy, I miss him so much.
Thank you. I'm blushing. Oh, Rajaki. This is Rajaki.
You might have met this apple.
Yes, sir. Yeah. This is Rajaki. I miss you, guy. What's up? I miss you, bro.
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Just take an experience.
Yes, I'll just climb a little more.
Bonsoir.
Merci beaucoup. Merci. All right, these are my guys. They're just leaving me, but I have to make a little more climb before I go down, just to see a little of what they have seen. You know. Thank you. Still trying to make it to the top. You can see how you almost have to glide through like a monkey, but I'm making it. It's not easy. Wow. It's still a long journey. And this is, I think it's becoming eerie here. It's becoming a little scared. But bro, I tell you, I don't want to get scared. So where's the road now? Where's the road? Okay. I think the other way. I think that's the road. Yeah. I think that's the road. Yeah. Man, you can see, it's not easy trying to climb. Man, just have to glide, hold very firmly to the roots, you know, to be able to pull further. Oh, it's not easy at all. At this point, you almost have to crawl. I mean, crawl like a tortoise. Otherwise, you fall like a pack of cards and you will have nothing left of you. And myself, my phone will just fall down. And I don't have no 70,000 naira to buy any more. Another one. No, I don't. So I have to hold very firmly to my phone. I just saw a snake, green snake, run through. Man, that snake. Where's that snake headed for? I saw it. Push here. Snake, where are you? Show yourself. Please, never mind. Don't show yourself, please. Don't show yourself. Thank you. Man, I don't think I should go further. It's becoming scary. Becoming a little scary. I can see things now. I'm beginning to see. I think the steps to take are still many. I have to continue. I can hear voices. I hope I'm going to meet people. I can hear voices. Look, I can hear voices. Hold on. These are people here. No. These are more people. Hold on. I'm taking. My dear, I think I can't go further. This is the last set of people I've seen here, man. I think I have to go with them because this is getting a little scary. And climbing this venue, I don't think I can climb to that point anymore. It's quite still high. I think I have to follow these people down now. But did you get to this point? No. Ah. Please, I have to follow this down. I'm already tired. Lest I lose more oxygen and collapse here and be returned a corpse. All right, this is still Nothing Person reporting from Erin Ijesa Waterfalls. You can hear the water falling from the rocks. You know, as I was told by a group of tourists I met here, probably students, I was told that this is the fourth level. But then climbing further would may become disastrous for me. Yeah, I tell you. Man, we are going down. We are going down now. I think it's more difficult. This is more difficult now. Man, going down. But then, if you are not very calculative and if you don't watch your steps, you might just fall and roll and tumble and gnash your teeth and even hit your skull on rocks, and you will come out in pieces. And I can tell you that first aid may not be able to work. You might need serious surgical intervention. Okay. Man, this is not easy. I'm having a little fun, but then see, I have to squat totally. I have to sit here to be able to make it to this cross now. As you can see how technical and calculative you have to be to scale through these points. You see? All right. Okay. Man, this is not funny. This is not funny for me. These are some of the friends I met while climbing to up Erin Ijesa. So what's your name, my friend?
Yeah, Samuel is the name.
Samuel.
Yeah, it's good having fun here.
All right. So what actually did you see while you climbed this mountain?
I must confess to you, these are a very good experience I've had the rest of my life.
Wow.
Sincerely, I've never climbed up a mountain up to this extent.
Wow.
The best I've done wasn't even any way compared to this.
Oh.
Just like the saying goes, after rain comes shine. In my own situation here, after mountain climbing comes shower. The camaraderie the youth corps members exhibited was enormous as we bathed and swam in the Erin Ijesa water. It was fun, indeed, a place to be.